They're out here telling you, send this letter, send that letter, add this code. But what they're not telling you, you're wasting precious time, valuable time, and that stamp. Those letters could potentially be ending up in the garbage. Let's clear this up. Only 3 letters are backed by law. The rest, you need a strategy to move forward. So let's cover those letters. The first one is the debt validation letter with the FDCPA. That one is going to validate who now owns that debt if they have the right to collect on you. If they don't, it ceases. If they do, they proceed. And the real kicker, if anybody's telling you to send it outside the 30-day window, they do not have to respond. Yes, there is a time limit. You need to send that in the first 30 days of receiving that notice from the collection agency. Number 2 is the credit agency report dispute, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, Section 611. You're going to send it to Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. You're going to include as much proof and evidence as you can. You're not just sending an empty template. But here's what no one's telling you. If that is indeed accurate, you're wasting your time. It's going to either fall off and come right back on or go nowhere. You're just setting up delay tactics. And number 3 is the debt dispute letter to the original creditor under Sections 623. And this is only going to work if you send it to the correct dispute address, that you have validation and proof that something is inaccurate. There is true inaccuracy on your report. You need to name that inaccuracy very clearly. Just by saying, not mine, is not proof enough. Everything else, garbage. You send a goodwill letter, they don't have to respond. You send a cease and desist letter to an original creditor, they don't have to abide. Repeating the same dispute template over and over with no new validation or proof that there's an inaccuracy, garbage. So no, you don't need another dispute template. You need a strategy. And that's why you want to get on one of my Q&As. 20-year lender here that wants to share it with you and answer all your questions. And I'll do that in a 30-minute chat with me. Drop Q&A in the comments and let's get that started. Follow me for Real Talk Credit, again, so that I can share my 20 years so that you have top-notch credit.